guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel if this is your first time stopping by. So today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys where I got my hair from. You've been asking me, where did I get my hair from? So finally I just want to quickly share it with you. I got it from AliExpress and it's crochet braids, and I could shoot a video on how I installed the hair. I never knew people want to see hair, but most of you have been disturbing me on WhatsApp, especially where about hair. So I said let me just bring it to you. I'm going to put the link to the crochet braids in the description box below and all the details you need to know. So if you like me to be doing hair videos, because I make my hair myself, I installed it my hair myself, let me know in the comment section and I'll look forward to it, and I'll make sure any hair I'm going to put on my head, you guys are going to do everything with me. Yeah, so that's it with the hair and all the information you need to know about it. So it's really cheap and it's really good. I did a kind of braiding pattern so it looks like it's great for my head. I didn't, yeah, so yeah, so that's it. So guys, I used the Seun's braiding pattern. She's an awesome YouTuber that does lots of crochet braids. Like, her methods are never ever seen before, and it gives you a run for your money. I'm going to link her video too in the description box. Yeah, and the hair I got it from AliExpress, and this I'm going to link the hair in the description box too. It's really tiny, very nice, and there are different colors for you to choose from. I used the 1B and I bought 4 packs, so I'm going to put the link to everything in the description box below.